Hello everyone, this is Cordless and welcome to ATKC Home Improvement Show. For my upcoming weekend gardening project at home, I will be doing some grass cutting to make sure that my greens always stay neat and also sleeky. And for this, I just bought a new toy. This is WORX WG779E.2 40-volt lithium-ion cordless lawn mower. And I'm very sure that all of you are interested to know what is inside the box. But before that, let's hit it. This is WORX WG779E.2 cordless lawn mower, which can be folded into 72 cm in length, 41 cm in width, with a height of 33 cm. Small, compact, and easy to carry around with a net weight of 11.2 kg. The rated voltage for this machine is 40 volt, which means you need 2 units of 20 volts. With a no-load speed of 3,300 or 3,500 rotation per minute. This is the battery pack cover. This is WORX WA3551 20-volt power module 2.0 ampere hour. Battery indicator, fully charged. Insert the battery into the slot until you hear the sound click. After installing the batteries, press here for battery power indicator. Fully charged. As part of the Intellect system, you can switch the dial between Eco and Turbo for longer and thicker grass. With a single lever, we can adjust the cutting height into 6 positions ranging from 20 mm up to 70 mm. The diameter of the front wheel is 160 mm and the rear wheel 180 mm. This is the carry handle. The grass bag capacity is 30 litre and here is the indicator. This is the cutting blade, 34 cm. With 2 fully charged batteries, it can cut up to 230 meters square. This is rare roll base, which is used to flatten the grass after cutting. This is WORX WA3869 battery charger. And this is WORX WA3551 20 volt power module, 2.0 ampere hour. With power share, basically it means that this battery can be shared across all WORX power tools and equipment. To charge the battery, slot the battery into the charger. Green flashing means that battery is charging, and green on means the battery is fully charged, which takes about 2 hours. And if you see red light flashing, basically means that the battery is in high temperature, maybe caused by long hours of usage. And red on basically means that the battery is defective. Please refer to your warranty and also manufacturer. In terms of warranty, this machine comes with a 12 months limited warranty. Enough of explaining, let's fold up this machine and bring it back home for my weekend gardening project. Let's go!